Alright, we're here at Sprouts. You are Sprouts Healthy Grocery Shopping Haul. We're about to get all the vegan goodies. We'll make Sharon happy. She's like a little vegan puppy. I have to feed her vegan treats and vegan food. This is Eddie's Mexican grocery shopping haul at El Rancho.
I got many bolillos.
He comes here to stock up on all the great produce, all the great bread.
Jalapeños, limón, cabrón. Buenas noches.
As you can see here, the groceries, the produce is very high quality, much higher quality than a normal American grocery store, but the prices are low. We just got all these groceries for $29. We're right outside of El Rancho now, and there's this food truck called Nina's Taqueria, and they have some homemade tacos. We noticed a lot of cars parked around it. Looks like a lot of people are enjoying their tacos, so we thought we'd give it a try. And we're about to try the beef tacos, the barbacoa, and the carne asada tacos. We just had the tacos and they were good, so now we're gonna try a burrito. We're going all in this time with the asada burrito.
You gonna cut it?
Yeah.
You have to cut it exactly halfway.
We got the burrito now. It looks pretty good. Eddie says it tastes good. I tried the burritos and the tacos. I'd give this place 5 stars. For value, for price and quality, I'd say this is a 5-star place. If you're in Fort Worth, definitely check out this place. Fort Worth street food. Wait, you're a native of Texas?
No.
But you have the Texan hat. You look so Texan. That's such a cool hat, actually.
I usually dress like Texan.
Wow, that's so cool. And where did you get this hat? I love it. It's so perfect.
You know what? It was a gift.
That's like the coolest Texas hat I've ever seen. So you guys, this is what a Texan outfit looks like. A true Texan will wear this. I love that out of all the things you're sampling, it's sausages, which are the most Texan food you can eat.
Exactly. We have different flavors. We have pico de gallo. We have the one with jalapeno. This is like very Mexican, pico de gallo.
I love Mexican food, so I'll try the pico de gallo.
Okay.
Thank you.
It's only pork shoulder, and try the one with jalapeno, because if you enjoy that one, you will enjoy the one with jalapeno.
Wow. It's very good quality, flavorful. Love it.
That one can be with jalapeno cheddar or without jalapeno.
They even have venison, deer meat here.
And I'm not Texan, okay? I adopt the state, but I'm not from Texas.
Cool, where are you from?
Where do you think?
You sound like you're from Mexico.
I am.
You have a nice accent. I just came from Cancun, which you can see the travel vlogs in my channel. That's where my mom is from. My mom is from Monterrey, Mexico.
Are you see? Well, me too.
Alright, I'm gonna try the deer sausage.
Less fatty than the regular sausage.
Yeah, it's more tender, more flavorful.
It's healthy also. Less fat, less calories.
Oh, that was so good.
I made my beautiful baby a homemade vegan pizza with some vegan cabbage. It's really good. How's it? Tastes good?
The pizza's really good.
From 1 to 5, how many stars would you give my cooking? 10 stars? You can only go up to 5 stars.
Now be honest.
I'm being honest, I mean,
Do you guys want to see people being real or being fake? Comment below. Tell us what you think. On YouTube, do you like YouTube because it's more real people or because it's more fake people like on mainstream media? Alright, so I already had a taste of that cabbage and it was pretty good. Now I'm going to try the pizza that I made. Sharon said she had one bite that was too salty. I made this with frozen cauliflower crust and I put my own tomato sauce on it. I put vegan cheese and peppers, mushrooms, and spices. That's really good.
Paul, sit. Paul, sit. Paul. Okay, I'll just do it.